Hello, fellow YouTubers and Facebook friends. This is my sad little sweet potato reveal. uh, yeah, they were in there 4.5 months, and none of them got very big. There's one decent sized one, and there's several that are much smaller, but it'll make a meal, and I'm not sorry I did it. In fact, I'm glad I did it because it was a learning experience, and next season we might do some things a little more differently. And if anyone has any tips about growing sweet potatoes, I welcome the tips in the comments. Anyway, this is my sad little sweet potato reveal. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you like. If you don't want to, don't have to. Have a nice one. Bye-bye.